Hey, what's up guys, it's me Jake. So over the past few years I've been storing most of my metal materials under the workbench, which kinda sucks because I always had to go on my knees to reach them, and it was all so unorganized. I spent too many time searching for the right rod, so I decided to use some old chipboards to make a small storage that could be pulled out under the workbench. I firstly measured the height of the bench drawers and quickly designed a very simple storage on the wheels in SolidWorks. I think it should work just fine, so I jumped back to my shop and cut all pieces of the chipboard to needed dimensions. Now I position them in the middle, mark where the holes needs to be drilled, and finally put some screws in to hold everything together. Last but not least, I installed 4 caster wheels on the bottom, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I know you probably won't make this, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Currently I have like 5 final exams in the next 2 weeks, so I might not be able to make a video next week, but in 2 weeks prepare yourself for 4-part video series. Trust me, it's gonna be epic. More info coming soon, and I'll see you next time.